Hey guys. So, if you're looking for a way to organize your shoes, I just bought this. So easy to put together. It comes in a little kit and the sides are plastic, but then the bars that go in between are steel. So it can take quite a bit of weight. I've got boots on the top shelf, and I'm going to put the boots that I'm wearing in that empty space at the end of the day. And then I've got sneakers and sandals and shorter shoes on the other three shelves. So you've got four shelves. You can fit 12 pairs of shoes and boots, and it's only $7.44. Yeah, really easy to put together. You don't need any tools. All you do is put the bars into the holes that are in the plastic sides and just secure them in there. And then, press down to make sure that they're in all the way. And it's really easy. And, I've gotten quite a few new shoes and boots and stuff lately, so I kind of ran out of room in my closet. So I had this little space in the corner of the room, and it's perfect. It's 24.41 inches wide by 7.64 inches in diameter by 24.41 inches height-wise, so it does not take up a lot of space. That's what the box looks like. Mainstay 4-tier shoe rack. And I got this at Walmart for $7.44. And if you want something bigger, they did have big ones, but I didn't really want anything that tall. I just thought that this one here was the perfect size. So, yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know about it in case you have more shoes than what you have room for. This is a very inexpensive, very easy solution.